for everybody that watches my channel, that watches Lexi, she took the wax warmer down. It was a bad idea. Thanks for letting her know. That's one good thing about YouTube, is that they do give you good advice and tell you when something's potentially not safe, right? So I just woke up from a nap. Yeah. So they got a Tempur-Pedic. Oh, it's got like a mattress cover on it too, don't it? Yeah. So they got a Tempur-Pedic bed, like the adjustable, but it's so soft. Yes. We had one years ago and I hated it, but it wasn't soft. Yours is soft.
It's more like, it's medium.
The lighting ain't great in here. They've got like older, like, yeah, it's like soft lighting, which is nice. I love it. It feels really cozy, but it doesn't make for good filming. But the wall color, y'all seen that. I try not to show anything before she does, because it's her channel. It's her name on it, not my name on it. Oh, pitch a fit. Wait, is that, you see that fan? You see that fan? I wonder why those bulbs face up. That's different. I like it though. But anyway, we're gonna put this room together and try to organize the closet. That's why we don't get nothing done. But she's just got some random laundry that needs to be washed or put away. Just, you know, part of the unpacking process. Yeah, it's not a lot of hanging space, but it's a lot of space to fold things. Okay, well, let's do it.
Morning has broken, my windows are open. Wanna feel the wind go through my hair.
I couldn't count the times that I looked at Lexi during all of this unpacking and trying to organize and say, you are definitely my child. Like, this is just complete chaos. And sometimes that's just how it is, especially with a baby. She's at the age that she wants your attention. She wants you playing with her or holding her. She wants to see what's going on. And it's just hard. She is also not a napper. She probably doesn't sleep 2 hours the whole day. She'll take several naps, but she'll sleep maybe 20 minutes at a time, and that's it. The kid hates to sleep. I've said from birth, she's so afraid she's gonna miss something. It's just in her. She's around all kinds of girls. She's got 3 aunts and then me and Heather, and we've just got a family full of girls, and it's just like we're talking all the time, and she'll look at one and then look at another like, what happened next? Well, what did she say? Like, she's just back and forth, and it's so funny just watching her watch us. But it's hard. It's that season of life. And then when you move and your husband doesn't have any time off and has to work long hours and it's just you here all day, it's hard to get stuff done and it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Just like on this day, we concentrated on her bedroom, her bathroom, trying to get these 2 rooms done. I did the nursery for her already. But as you know, when you focus on one room, then another room gets neglected. You know, you've got to clean your kitchen every day. You've got to stay on top of your laundry every day. You've got certain things that you just have to do every day. And it's hard to incorporate that into unpacking and organizing a whole room or a whole closet. That's like an all-day project itself. So I told her, just take your time, ask for help. We'll help you and we'll get it done. We didn't get it done on this day. We actually didn't even put a dent in it. But we did a little bit. We did what we could, and that's all that matters. But this is a good-sized closet, but there are no rods like to hang clothes. So her option is she can hang like on that middle shelf. She can hang a few things there. She can't really hang behind the door because the door won't open all the way if you do that. But her options are like baskets or bins, or we could just take the whole thing down and put normal rods up to hang clothes. And that may be her best option. I told her she could keep the shelves on the sides and maybe on that back wall put like 2 rods wall to wall just to hang clothes on. I don't know what the solution is. I'm not great at organizing for sure, as you can see, but we're trying to figure it out. So we took jeans and pants, things like that, off hangers and folded them and put them on shelves. And we were taking sweatshirts, jackets, the thicker, bulkier clothes off hangers, folding them, putting them on shelves until we can figure something out. And if you guys have any ideas, let us know, because we're struggling over here and they have so many clothes. And she said that they were going to declutter and, you know, go through some more and get rid of some more clothes that they don't wear. But Hunter works at the fire department. He works his normal job, and then He preaches, so he has church clothes, and then he has normal clothes, and he hunts, and he fishes, so he has all the clothes. So, Hunter, if you're listening, nobody needs 3 boxes of shoes or a closet full of clothes. We're going to declutter. I mean, what's wrong with one outfit to hunt in? Aren't you supposed to be stinky when you hunt anyway? Wear them time after time. If you're going to go hunting 3 days straight, then you're going to fit right in wearing the same outfit, having that natural scent. And as far as preaching, we'll keep 2 suits. You can wear one on Wednesday, one on Sunday. If those people judge you for wearing the same thing, you need to find a new place to preach at anyway. I am just kidding, but the boy does have a lot of clothes. These are so good.
They're the best.
They are so good. I found some of those ranch fries, like cheddar ranch fries.
I think you brought them here.
They're so.
Did you try them?
Yeah, I bit into one, I threw it away, and I stuck it back in the cabinet.
You stuck it back in the cabinet? I was about to ask if you threw it away.
No, but I was like, okay, that's something my kids would do at my house, so I'm doing it at her house.
Oh my god.
I hear thunder, I hear lightning, I hear wonders, and everybody wanna go, but no one really cares to know. I see marvels, I see titans, and some troubles that everybody has to face, that no one really can erase.
If you guys watched me unpack the nursery, you've seen that I took this rocking chair, this recliner, out of Lexi's room. Lexi wanted it in her room, and she wanted it in this corner. So we moved this dresser down. They're going to put their TV on their dresser, so that centered it up with the bed anyway. But she really wanted the corner there for that rocking chair, and I think that looks cute there. But Alden is going to go to their house this weekend, and he's going to anchor some things to the wall so that when Lexi starts climbing, she can't potentially turn something like that over on herself. So a lot of you guys have been messaging me asking about Kennedy and in the comments, and she's doing great. She's not having any pain. I mean, maybe a little discomfort during rehab, but she's not had to take pain medicine. She has done amazing. Like, it blows my mind. And I'm sure as rehab gets more intense, she'll have a little more pain, but she's doing great. And shout out to Kennedy's friend Braden. He is the manager on the ETSU softball team, but he's going to be keeping her company in the dugout this year. So he is really funny. He watches my videos. Kennedy's a little mortified about that all of her friends have found out and are watching, but I think that's funny. Nothing like embarrassing your kids, right? But thank you, Braden, for watching.
A part of me was always trying to believe you were the only air to breathe. I stood against the wind. You heard me, I found love again. Even as a friend, everything must end. For the first time in ages, I wake up and don't hate it. I guess I found some peace. Through the day to the evening, without shouting and screaming, something new to me. Alone without being lonely, getting back to the old me. It's kinda nice to feel free. I thought this was sober, thought I could control it, but if I speak the truth, I ain't over you. I was feeling sober until you came up now. I don't know what to do.
So they made Allison a little room out of the spare bedroom, and she put up her Christmas tree this weekend, but I just hopped over there and made her bed, and then I picked up the Christmas tree bag and some ornaments that they didn't use and lights they didn't use, and just trying to keep this room picked up a little bit. Allison does need to pick up after herself a little bit more than what she is, so I will have to tell her that for sure. But I jumped into the kitchen to clean it up. She had some dishes sitting everywhere. The dishwasher was full and it hadn't been ran. And then there were a few things on the table, but I just wanted to get this picked up. She was trying to get LEXI to sleep, and she is not going to go to sleep if I'm in the room. Like, I'm a distraction. So I told her, just rock her, get her to sleep, put her down for her nap, and I'll jump into the kitchen and dining room and clean for you. So at least she got some of this cleaning done for her while she was focusing on her closet and her bedroom drawers and all those things.
Now all my dreams are coming true. I just wanna put my heels on tight, dance with you all night, move to my favorite song, go a little crazy to the beat, hear you talk so sweet, my heart just sings along, baby I don't want this night to end, no I can't pretend, I can't control myself, I just wanna be with you forever, I can't believe it, no it can't get any better now, can't get any better now. Pretty please, tell me that you think of me and that you're missing me, baby. You found my heart and set me free. In every fantasy, now I'm ready, 'cause I know it's true. When I look in your eyes of blue, that you want me and I want you to. Yeah, all my dreams are coming true. I just wanna put my heels on tight, dance with you all night, move to my favorite song, go a little crazy to the beat, hear you talk so sweet, my heart just sings along, baby I don't want this night to end, no I can't pretend, I can't control myself, I just wanna be with you forever, I can't believe it, no it can't get any better.
These were the dishes that didn't fit into the dishwasher, so I just washed those by hand and then I dried them and put them away. I really didn't know where she had anything at, so I kind of had to open each cabinet and just kind of look and find a place to put these things with like things. So Lexi, if you're missing anything, just watch this video. You'll probably see where I put it. But it's fun getting to organize a new space like this, but it can be overwhelming too. The kitchen that they had in their other house was huge, and it had all kinds of cabinet space. And I told her, I said, you're going to miss those cabinets. And she's like, well, we didn't use them anyway. And, you know, you really don't need as much stuff as you have, especially in the kitchen. But I told her, I said, put things in tubs, put lids on them, like plastic totes, put them downstairs. And if you need something, go get it. So, you know, just utilize the space that you have as best as you can.
Ooh, yeah. Like a sunrise horizon, always there, always shining, building me up with the song it's singing, filling my heart like I'm flying, and always warm, always hold me, the biggest part of my story, healing my soul, help me feel completion, bringing my here to my glory, yeah. It keeps pulling me back, it keeps pulling me back to you, it keeps pulling me back, yeah. It keeps pulling me back to you, it keeps pulling me back, yeah. It keeps pulling me back to you, it keeps pulling me back, it keeps pulling me back to you, yeah. It keeps pulling me back to you, yeah. let go even when I'm wandering. It won't give up on my journey. It won't forget any promise, but won't remember my failure and never shame me.
So on my last video, I shared that Allison was struggling a little bit. She's 13. She's just at that age, and it's hard, and it's a hard age. And even though some of the things that she's struggling with may seem like small things to me, they're big things to her. So I've just been trying to pay her special attention and just really feel out what she's needing, and her emotions, all that. They're just all over the place. But she's really been diving into her Bible and studying, and that's helped her so much, and I'm so proud of her. But I had several of you message me and tell me that you all were struggling too, or that your kids were struggling too. And life's tough, and life's sure not fair, and he never promised it would be, but he promised that he would be with us. He would never leave us, and he won't. Life's full of ups and downs. I have had days where I thought my blessings couldn't be any more. I remember driving home from the hospital when LEXI was born, and I remember thinking, how in the world could I ever have a better day? Like, today is the most blessed I've ever been in my whole life. Like, you're so good, God, you're so good. But then I've had days where my heart hurt so bad, I thought I would die, and I thought I couldn't breathe. I thought I couldn't make it through it, but I did. Some of my sweetest blessings came when I was in the deepest of valleys. He's so much sweeter in the valley to me. And I guess that's just when you lean on him and need him the most. But it's all of the in-between. It's all of the in-between, the good times, the bad times, that just shape us and make us who we are. And we just got to hold on, and we've got to keep on keeping on. And if you're struggling, know you're not alone. And talk to somebody, reach out to somebody. Don't ever just keep that bottled up. And it might seem so small to you, but if it is affecting you in any way, it matters. And you need to talk about it. You need to work it out. But I'll be praying for you guys. Please be praying for Allison. It's going to be okay. But I love you guys. Jesus loves you guys. And I'll see you in the next one.
Through the darkness, the fire burning in the night, be a home for the world so